In the middle of the highway, we are gonna stop by this fish restaurant. This is their fish tank, freshwater fish. I saw a reservoir on the way, so probably this all is in the water reservoir. So you catch the fish, you choose the fish, they catch the fish, they gut the fish and cook the fish. She's gutting the fish. Ah, 这是我们的，就是。We ordered two different kinds of fish, two different ways to cook the fish. This one is here. Fish soup. Looks yummy. This is the second fish, 红烧 Red Braised Fish. Different kinds of fish, 昂刺鱼。好好好。Then let me try the fish soup first. Very fresh. The last time I saw the fish, it was swimming in the tank. It's like 20 minutes in the soup. It's so tender and savory. So good. With lots of ginger and herbs, so it doesn't taste fishy at all. No fishy smell. Very tender and very, very good fish. It's small, but known for its tender meat. Very tender meat. Yes, very tender. So flavorful. Ginger, garlic, chili pepper, spring onion, and this is a kind of a dried herbs. I think this is a good flavor to the fish. Very tender, and the flavor is so good. One of the best fish I have in my life. But be careful, there are bones inside. My wife and I both got stuck with bones. Rice saved our lives. It's such a good meal. We finished almost everything. At last, I think I want to show my respect to the amazing chef and put this meal to a happy ending. Use some gravy. We eat rice. The last bite is the same taste as the first bite. That is amazing. So many good food only taste good for the first 3 bites. But afterwards, it's not as good as the first. But this meal is pretty consistent all the way down, all the way through. Amazing restaurant, amazing chef, amazing meal. Thank you for watching.
还有没有小巴掌嘞？